Today on DIY Home and Garden Projects, we're going to replace a tree soaker in the sprinkler system and replace it with a traditional sprinkler head. Alright, so today we're going to be replacing this soaker hose that goes to the tree, because the tree's established. It's nearly 4 years old, and we have a dry spot in our spray coverage for our sprinklers. So we're going to take this out and put in a pop-up sprayer to match the rest of the yard. Most of the time, a lot of people don't do this because they're intimidated because they don't know what they're doing. Best way to learn is to get out and do it. So this is getting farther from the area that I want to have my sprinkler head. So it may be another foot or two or three. So what I'm going to do now is shorten this hose up and bury the sprinkler head right where I need it to be. Okay, so I've determined the location for where I want my sprinkler head to be. Got right here. So I'm going to cut this off, and then we're going to undo this. We're going to need this piece right here to go in, so we're going to cut this off. That comes out readily, and we'll reinsert that. I have this little stretcher tool that I use. It helps when you're trying to put some of these pipings together, particularly when you're doing drip irrigation. You have several of them to do. So that stretches the rubber a little bit, makes the insert go in a lot easier, and then that rubber will come back to its normal shape, and there you go. Now what we gotta do, put this on here temporarily. So we don't get dirt in it. And then all we have to do is dig our trench over here and get this thing buried. Okay, so we want the sprinkler head to be right at ground level, because the pop-up will make it above ground to spray. So we have our sprinkler head right at the right level. So let's work on putting that dirt back in. So let's go test our sprinklers now. We'll have to move the camera so we don't get it wet. So if you enjoyed our DIY project on sprinkler repair, Subscribe down below and come back and see us real soon.